Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a double fan fold, and this is a liquid re-dye, so this is part 2. When doing a re-dye, you want to treat the shirt like any other shirt. It needs to soak in soda ash, and you don't want to soak it in your soda ash bucket for your white t-shirts. Because this has had dye on it previously, that dye will leach out while it's soaking, so you want to use a separate container of soda ash that you can just toss away. I'm sorry guys, I was having technical difficulty with recording 1 and 2. I don't have the footage of me folding the shirt back up, but I just refolded it up in a double fan fold pattern exactly like I did the first time that I folded it in part 1. You may have noticed that I went from turquoise straight into yellow, skipping the green. Blue and yellow make green, and this shirt already has a ton of undertone of green from the first dye. I really wanted to make sure that the lemon yellow had a chance to get into those fibers and start reacting before I add the green on top. And the green and the yellow are just going to make a nice lime green, so that was what I was thinking when I was adding the dye. Flip it over and repeat the dye pattern on the back side. And I'm really packing in the dye. What comes to mind is like a tattoo cover-up. Some of you might be familiar with that. I really want to erase all traces of the previous shirt if I can. I let the shirt rest for about 15 minutes. I wanted all that dye to just have a chance to soak into the fibers. And then I came back and I did a quick layer of raven black on both sides. Putting a black back on a shirt really can save the day because it can hide a lot of blemishes. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. Start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol. That's a textile detergent that I get from Dharma. And then I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft. And Millsoft brings softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. And I also get that from Dharma. And then I put it in the dryer and we'll come back and see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I'm really happy with the results. I think I did a pretty good job achieving that cover up. I can still see some of the previous shirt in there, but that's okay. It gives the shirt character. And the black back, well, it just kind of saved the day. So this really wasn't about which shirt do we like more than the other. It was really about how can we fix something if we're unhappy with it. So, what do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.